Get in the f***ing car!
Bravo, uite-te aici, ești pe cameră, lasă-l mă cam camera mea la poliție. Vezi că ești pe cameră. O să mergem la poliție și o să rămâi fără permis. Altercație în trafic.
Ai greșit că l-am de la locul tău de muncă înapoi să nu fie. Bună, eu sunt așa.
Bravo! Bravo! Uite-te aici, ești pe cameră, lasă-l mă cam camera mea la poliție.
Ah, porra! Ei aqui, viu? Olha, o cara tá falecido aqui, ó. Olha, na BR aqui, ó.
Hinter uns.
Doch, kann ich mal deinen Namen haben?
Na.
Nimm mal den Helm ab. Nimm mal den Helm ab.
Wieso, wer sind Sie? Sind Sie ein Polizist oder was?
Nein, nein.
Ja, Entschuldigung, ich dachte, der Typ, der vor mir fuhr, ich dachte, der hat Sie gesehen. War ein bisschen was nicht gesehen, deswegen dachte ich könnte so durchfahren.
Ja,
so.
Und dann dreht er da an.
Ja, da kann ich ja nichts für.
Nein, das sag ich ja auch nicht.
Ja.
Und fährt mir bald ins Auto rein.
Ja, kann ich auch nichts für.
Wie heißt
Ja.
der?
Nein, warten Sie mal, stopp. Ja,
Wo
tut mir.
wohnst du
Hey,
denn?
stopp.
Ich sag nichts.
Sie sagt auch nichts. Sie sagen alle nichts.
Ist gut.
Ja, tut mir ja auch leid, aber.
Ist gut.
Okay.
Soll ich bei der Polizei anrufen?
Nein, wie gesagt, es tut mir leid. Ich hab Sie
Dann
nicht
sag, wie
gesehen.
du heißt.
Nein, wieso denn? Wieso
Nein,
denn?
ist gut.
Ja, ich habe Sie zu spät
Nein.
gesehen, tut mir leid.
Ist gut, in einer halben Stunde da.
Ja, Entschuldigung, mal Sie,
das kriegen
nur
wir
weil ich
gleich.
aus Versehen in die Vorfahrt ausgenommen habe. Ich
Das
dachte,
kriegen wir gleich.
ja, ich
jetzt-
dachte,
jetzt
der vor mir.
weiter.
Entschuldigung, es ist ja nichts passiert.
Ja, nein. Hast du denn Führerschein dafür?
Ja, klar,
Wo
Führerschein.
denn?
Ja, den habe ich dabei.
Ja, zeigen.
Ja, wieso? Sie sind doch kein Polizist, den muss ich nicht zeigen.
Das kriegen wir schon hin.
your puppy's cute as hell, bro. Look at the puppy. Turkey. Bye.
I can't hear you.
Have a good day.
I can't hear you.
Have a good day. Go away. I cannot say it any.
Tell me what to do.
Go away.
Don't tell me what to do.
Go away. Take your and go away. You guys have a good day. Thank you, sweetheart. You have a good day. Oh, damn, I stalled it.
Two crazy things happening today.
Yeah, that's what happens down here in Oklahoma. A whole bunch of craziness. I don't think she was actually saying anything. Like, she was just like babbling. Look at that. I got you. Hell yeah. What? What? You want to get back in your car? No. You want to get out my face? You want to get out my face?
What, you got a pretty helmet on?
Yeah, I've got a fucking camera. I'm going to send it to the police to So, I don't feel like hitting old men today. Getting out his fucking car. Shut up, you Jim. You what? What? No, fuck.
The next day.
No.
I'd go with a friend, but not alone. Hi. Nope.
Do you know how to read?
Sorry?
Do you know how to read?
I just read that sign over there.
Sorry?
I just read that sign over there. I'm going back.
Did you come by BizNet?
Sorry?
Did you come by BizNet?
Who are you?
Did you come by BizNet Road?
I don't know what's that road.
There's a huge sign there that says it's for local traffic only. It's only for people that live on this road.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I read that sign over there.
There's a speed limit on this road, which you were greatly exceeding. So you can be charged with that.
Yeah?
Yes. The fine's probably about $175 for being on this road when you're not living here or visiting someone.
Yeah, I saw the law over there.
Then you go by BizNet and you take Erio Road if you want to go down to Erio.
Yeah, yep, alright.
Okay?
Thanks.
Alright, have a good one.
Alright, thank you.
Such a slow turn.
That's okay. I'd rather you take a slow turn than f***ing dump into a turn. Hey! Get your f***ing hands off of her! Get the f*** away from me! Get the f*** away from me! I have my daughter! You get the f*** away from me! Get in the f***ing car! Off of my daughter! Right now!
Go. Let's go. You want to get on the back of my bike? Come on, it's okay.
Don't keep walking up to me! Go. Get her out of here. Right now.
I love you, Dad.
I love you, bub.
Everything's alright.
I'll meet you at Fuzzy's. Is that you? Yep. I need you to hear me. I am sorry that I scared you.
You didn't scare me, he scared me.
Okay. I'm sorry that I put you in that situation, but I cannot stand there and watch a man put his hands on a woman.
I don't know what that was all about.
He braked really hard, so we honked at him, and then I guess he got really pissed off.
I see. Well, throw a water bottle. At least it's harmless. Hi, Pooch. Yeah. I was like, what?
I'm like,
Yeah.
whatever.
Go figure. Drivers nowadays, sometimes you never know. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna put a hit if that's okay.
Yeah.
Have a good day. Thank you. Yeah.
Fuck me! Are you fucking serious? Fuck's sake. Can you not see me? Fucking hell. One sec. I just turned the ignition off. Yeah.